Okay guys, let's sing Happy Birthday Tatay Bong.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Dyan, dyan, dyan. Ayan! Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, wish you all the best in life and good health. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
We love you Tatay Bong. Happy birthday.
Ayan, I wish you a good health and more birthday and blessings to come in your life. I will go for you. Happy birthday!
Ayan po, magmagandang gabi po kayo.
May birthday po, Nanay Inda, Kuya Foren.
Ayan.
Si Tito Bong.
Ayan po,
Ay, Tito Bong! Tito Bong, shoutout po! Nice to meet you po, Tito! Si Tito Bong, guys, oh! Thank you po, Tito Bong, sa pagmamahal mo sa amin, tsaka kay Tatay Tekram. Ay, grabe, guys, si Tito Bong! Ay! I'm so lucky, guys. Nakita ko pa si Tito Bong, di ba? Tito Bong, thank you po. Ingat po kayo lagi.
Nasa work po siya.
Na ano ka ba, Tito Bong? Na-surprise ka ba? Na-surprise ka po ba na may maingay dito sa Manalastas family?
Akala ko nasa bakasyon ka ngayon para umuwi.
Alam ni Tito Bong.
Isa
di ba?
pala guys, si Tito Bong sa na-prank natin. Akala nyo nasa bakasyon lang daw ako, guys.
Salamat talaga.
Thank you po. Grabe, oh. Ingat po, Tito Bong.
Yung ganyang suporta po nyo na-appreciate po niya.
Opo. Ay, ang swerte ko guys, nakita ko si Tito Bong. Okay lang po ba pakita? Ayan na si Tito Bong guys, oh. Ang ating Tito Bong. Grabe, oh.
Kumusta po? Ayan, nasa trabaho po si Lolo Bong.
Ingat po kayo lagi.
Siya po
Ay,
yung
palagi anak. Basta sama-sama tayo, masaya ako.
Opo, thank you so much po Tito Bong. Pagpalain pa po kayo ng Panginoon.
Ay, harapin mo yung mga andani dyan. Nano, sige
yung
na.
mga ano daw.
Ay, harapin ko daw kayo.
Ay,
Grabe, nakita pa natin si Tito Bong. We are so lucky, 'di ba, mga katekram? Nakita niyo na si Tito Bong, 'di ba? Grabe, lumalamig yung kamay ko.
Happy birthday Tatay Bong. Para sa iyo to.
this is the one of my favorite song also from Tito Bong. Tonight you're mine completely. You give your love so sweetly. Tonight tonight, oh love is in your eyes. But will you still love me tomorrow? Or just some moment special? And I believe the magic of your eyes. Will you still love me tomorrow? Tonight with words unspoken, you say that I'm the only one. But will my heart be broken when the night meets the morning sun? I'd like to know that your love is it a love I can be sure of? So tell me now, and I won't ask again. Will you still love me tomorrow?
Hello, Tito Bong. Henny out here. One of the lucky ones na napili ni Bunso Michelle Japina to be one of her nanay-nanayan sa social media. Isang pinakamahiyain niyang nanay. But still, I take the courage to make this video just to greet you. Happy birthday. Tito Bong, I know you already have everything, but my wish for you is still that God may continue to bless you with the best of health, golden heart, long life, more years to celebrate so that you can continue to be a blessing to others. Tito Bong, let me take this also an opportunity to thank you for your generosity to Tekram community, and especially for your love and support to our founder, Michelle Japina, and to the members of the Tekram Pure Heart International. Thank you so much again, Tito Bong. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day with care, and God bless.
Hello Tito Bong, happy birthday po. God bless you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Bong. Wish you good health and more blessings to come. Love you.